everybody, it's Teresa at the Hudson Sewing Studio along with Sophia.
Hi everyone.
Well, it's Christmas at the shop. What is...
Hey guys, we're here.
Oh, hi everybody.
Hi.
Look who's here.
I'm just eating a cookie.
Yum.
Wow.
Hey.
Who's running the shop?
I don't know what's going on right now. But while I'm here, just so everybody knows, I have a lot of used machines right now because we had a really successful showcase and I have a lot of used machines and I want you to come in and buy one. All kinds of good stuff going on. So
No better time if you want to upgrade or get an extra machine
yeah,
to travel with. Yeah.
yeah, that'd be a really cool idea. So anyway, see you guys later.
You know what? It's almost like being at Disney, because at Disney, when you do the Jungle Cruise, you go and you see the backside of water. We actually just saw the backside of Jim.
Oh, that's a rare.
That is a
encounter.
rare occasion. So we're actually here in Christmas World, and we're talking about this finished Advent calendar you may have seen. Sophia had done a post about it, but come in and see it in real life. It is so pretty, and how fun would it be to put little treats in each one of these if you've got grandchildren. Nathaniel quilted it, did a really nice job.
Oh yeah, he added in little embroidery.
Yeah, this is
too.
how he quilted it. It's just a little embellishment that he added.
Yeah.
So if we move over here, we have 3 new bowls that we haven't shown before. This is called Natural Gold Christmas Wish. How pretty is this? This would make a really nice table runner for your holiday season, really. These 2 are coordinates that go with it.
Speaking of gold, these have gold accents, so this would be perfect.
Would be really pretty with it.
Oh,
So,
yeah.
and I mean, there's lots of options, but this is very, very nice. We actually just got this Holly Jolly 5-yard quilts from the Fabric Cafe. This is a mother-daughter duo, and they do 5 yards, they do 3-yard quilts. But here's some of the quilts that are in this book. It's a great value for the money that you spend because you get 8 designs. They are usually relatively easy to put together. So if you're a newbie, this is one thing I always recommend new people to check these books out, because they're easy to follow and you really do get a lot of good patterns. We're going to move to Embroidery World. Okay, so we have several embroidery kits and things for you guys to do. This is Lori Holt. This is called Decorating the Tree, and this is the machine embroidery kit. You can buy this. This gives you the fabric, but you will have to purchase the design from this. USB, thank you, to go with it. This is not included in there. Or you can take this and build your own.
And it has options of a wall quilt, lap quilt, or a throw quilt.
It does have 3 nice options. So
This is really pretty.
it is very cute. And now we're going to go over to Kimberbell and see what they have to offer. The other embroidery kit, we have this digital file. It is Autumn Acres. It's a bench pillow, and you know those are so cute from Kimberbell. Even have the embellishment kit, and look at this little squirrel. We're going to be talking about squirrels in the next few videos coming up, so keep your eyes peeled. But these buttons are really cute.
We do have a whole Kimberbell section, so you
So
can supplement that.
Okay, so we still have some announcements. The Illinois Shop Hop is going on August and September. We hope you come visit our shop. If you haven't got your magazine, you can get it here. We will stamp it. When you're in our shop, there's a couple of things we'd like you to do. One would be to vote on our ultimate travel bags. We did a challenge for our showcase using Amanda Murphy fabrics. You vote for your favorite one out of that group. You can also view our breast cancer awareness quilt. It is hanging in the back wall, and you can actually buy a chance to win that quilt. And the proceeds from those tickets will go to the Community Cancer Center in Normal. The other announcement is Quilt Club will be coming up August 22nd, and there will be a guest. Jenny Pettinger will be coming to do a talk on needle turn applique and hand quilting, because she is very good at both of those. She's going to do a little trunk show for the group that is there. If you're new to coming to Quilt Club, please join us. It's really a fun time, and you will learn so much from one another. And don't forget, if you're in need of a new machine, Amanda's got one for you. A used machine. Well, or a new one. We got them all, so
Yep, come check them out.
come check them out. I think that's it for this week. Say goodbye to Sophia,
Bye everyone.
and we'll see you again.